Welcome to our guide on TV technologies, LED, QLED, and OLED. Choosing the right TV can be a daunting task with so many options available in the market. Today, we'll delve into the technical and price differences to help you make an informed decision. Let's begin with LED TVs, which are the most common and budget-friendly option. LED stands for light-emitting diode. These TVs use an array of LEDs to illuminate the display. They offer great brightness and energy efficiency, making them a popular choice for many households. Moving on to QLED, or quantum.LED. QLED TVs take LED technology a step further by integrating quantum dots. These tiny nanoparticles enhance color accuracy, brightness, and overall picture quality. They're known for their vibrant colors and excellent performance in well-lit rooms. Now, let's talk about OLED, short for Organic Light-Emitting Diode. OLED TVs don't use a backlight. Instead, each individual pixel emits its own light. This results in perfect black levels, incredible contrast, and stunning picture quality. OLEDs excel in delivering true blacks and unmatched viewing angles. From a technical standpoint, LED TVs offer good performance at an affordable price point. QLED TVs improve on this with enhanced color accuracy and brightness, ideal for brighter rooms. OLED TVs, on the other hand, boast unparalleled picture quality with perfect blacks and superb contrast ratios. When it comes to price, LED TVs are generally the most budget-friendly. QLED TVs tend to fall in the mid-range, offering a balance between quality and cost. Meanwhile, OLED TVs often come at a premium price due to their superior technology. In conclusion, LED, QLED, and OLED TVs each have their strengths and cater to different needs and budgets. If you're looking for an affordable option with decent performance, LED is a good choice. For a balance of quality and price, consider QLED. And if top-notch picture quality is your priority and budget permits, OLED is the way to go. Remember, the right choice ultimately depends on your preferences and viewing environment. We hope this guide has helped you understand the differences between these TV technologies. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more in-depth tech guides and reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing valuable content. Thanks for watching.